there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's gonna make your head spin faster than a propeller. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone, the budget-friendly flyer that promises big fun for a small price. And on the right, we've got the DJI Mini 2 SE, the high flyer that's light as a feather but packs a punch. Buckle up, because we're diving into the nitty-gritty to see which drone deserves a spot in your gadget arsenal. All right, let's kick things off with what everyone wants to know first, the price. So the ATTOP Drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $109. I mean, that's cheaper than a fancy dinner for two, right? On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a bit more of a splurge at $279. That's like, I'm serious about my drone game kind of money. So if you're looking to save some bucks, ATTOP takes the cake here. But hey, let's see if you get what you pay for. Next up, let's talk cameras. Because what's a drone if you can't take epic selfies from the sky? The ATTOP Drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees field of view. Pretty sweet, right? It's like having a mini James Cameron in your pocket. But the DJI Mini 2 SE steps it up with its superior imaging capabilities. And let's be honest, DJI is like the Apple of drones. You know you're getting top-notch quality. So if you're looking to impress your Instagram followers, DJI might be the way to go. But hey, ATTOP's no slouch either. All right, let's talk flight time, because nobody wants their drone fun cut short, right? ATTOP gives you 30 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. But the DJI Mini 2 SE? It offers a whopping 31 minutes on a single charge. And if you grab the combo, you're looking at up to 93 minutes in the sky. That's practically a feature film. So if you've got big plans for your drone, DJI's got you covered. Now, let's dive into control features. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be that person who crashes their drone into a tree. ATTOP's got some cool tricks up its sleeve with voice control, gesture recognition, and even a 360 degrees flip feature. Plus, it's got a handy app for all your control needs. But DJI Mini 2 SE, it's like the Tesla of drones, with advanced transmission range up to 10 kilometers and rock-solid stability even in windy conditions. And let's not forget, it's beginner-friendly with a return-to-home feature. So if you're a newbie or just clumsy, DJI's got your back. Finally, let's talk portability, because who wants to lug around a clunky drone? The ATTOP Drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it super easy to take on the go. Perfect for those impromptu drone adventures. But the DJI Mini 2 SE? It weighs less than 249 grams. That's lighter than a can of soda. Plus, no FAA registration needed for recreational use. So if you're always on the move, DJI's lightweight design is a huge plus. When it comes to Amazon reviews, the ATTOP Drone receives mixed feedback. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and fun features, but some have experienced malfunctions and short battery life. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is praised for its excellent value, ease of use, and high-quality performance. It's noted for its stability in windy conditions and impressive camera quality, making it a solid choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone is your budget-friendly buddy that's packed with fun features and great for casual flying. But if you're looking for top-tier performance, extended flight time, and portability, the DJI Mini 2 SE is worth the extra bucks. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, shop smart, fly smart. Product links are in the description.